Although many people prefer to trade their Forex pairs by hand, there are certainly use cases where bots can be incredibly lucrative. These bots are generally set to look for specific buy or sell cues, which allow trades to be executed with pinpoint precision exactly when those cues occur. This ensures that the trader does not have to keep an eye on the value of their assets every second of every day. Different bots have different advantages and disadvantages, however, and picking the correct one is very important for your profitability as a trader. Number 5, 1000 Pip Climber. 1000 Pip Climber is a Forex bot which deploys a unique trading algorithm in order to scan Forex markets for the best entry points in 6 major currency pairs, with the trader able to handpick which pairs they're specifically interested in. This bot, however, does not automatically trade for the user. Rather, it suggests which trades are the best and allows the user to pick which ones they want to execute. This allows the trader to still be heavily involved in their trades as a whole, rather than letting a bot do all of the work. There is unfortunately not a free demo account, but the bot only requires a one-time payment of $300 for lifetime access. The bot claims to have achieved almost 20,000 pips in the last 3 years, which just showcases how successful it has been. Number 4, EA Pros. EA Pros offers a free Forex robot for all customers looking to trade currency pairs. It's accessible through MT4, meaning it's supported on a wide variety of prop firms. The bot generates signals based on data, trends, and statistics, allowing investors to manually initiate new trades. It charges no usage fees beyond a minimum deposit of $1,000 to begin trading. Platform members can also access a massive 500-to-1 leverage ratio, which allows them to generate more profitable returns if they're willing to take on the massive risk. This comes with the possibility of wiping out an entire account, of course, but some people are confident enough to utilize that sort of leverage. Unfortunately, EA Pros do not offer a demo account, but it's not inherently necessary considering use of the bot is free. Number 3, Premium FX Signals. Premium FX Signals is a popular automatic trading algorithm that scans the market for various entry and exit points for FX pairs. To begin trading, a minimum investment of $250 is required, but the bot does offer a free demo account in order to allow traders to use virtual currency to experience the software settings, performance, and more. Premium FX Signals claims to have an 89% accuracy rate, and every new signal it generates comes with a specified entry and exit point, along with stop loss and profit price levels. They offer real-time trading signal updates, which allows traders to combat the uncertainty and price movements of the Forex markets. Number 2, FX Master Bot. FX Master Bot is a very interesting bot because it actually doesn't require any payment for its use. It is completely free to utilize, except for the deposits required to trade. But those are fully refundable as long as your trading prowess doesn't require them to be used as collateral. The bot offers 3 Forex trading accounts, being Novice, Expert, and Master, which require a $200, $500, and $1,000 deposit respectively. They feature an increasing number of Forex pairs available for trading, and the bot supports both manual and automatic trading. They are also partnered with multiple SEC-regulated brokers, allowing one to feel secure in using it without worrying if they're being scammed. And number 1, Forex Fury. Forex Fury is generally hearkened to as the best Forex trading bot currently on the market, with an absolutely massive 93% accuracy rate. It provides a list of its most recent trades on the homepage, which is audited by a third-party tracking site known as MyFXBook. Forex Fury works with any online broker that supports MT4 and MT5, which an overwhelming majority of firms do support in the modern day. The bot complies with the NFA and adheres to FIFO regulations. It offers 2 price points, $229.99 for its gold package and $439.99 for its diamond package, which both offer lifetime memberships. The only difference with the two is that the diamond package comes with 2 additional live account licenses. Although Forex bots don't completely replace manual trading, they are definitely an important tool that can be used wisely to increase profits in the Forex market. Wise traders will take advantage of every tool at their disposal, and hopefully this video provided insight into which bot would work best for you.